Alright, now we want to perform what is called regression analysis. Regression analysis, we do this in Morphometric, okay, which gives us a graph of central size against the PC score, which we call regression score. So we are going to perform this right now using Morphometric. So let's go back to our Morphometric and see how we can do this. Alright, so we go to our regression, we go to variation, we click on regression. So here, select the two data sets for here, and here. So this is dependent variables, this is independent variable. If you remember when I was explaining in the theory part, in part 1, that we have a dependent variable, we have independent variable, okay? If you remember very well, you can see that here we have that. So now here we are going to use this postcode coordinate as our dependent variable and the central size as independent variable. Okay, so this postcode coordinate is always called a regression score, and this central size you may need to log central. You may need to log transform it, but you don't need to log transform. Just leave it like that. So you click here. All right, this standard permutation. And click on execute, it will give you. So don't make a mistake and put this one here. All right, it will be very wrong. Okay, put on here, very wrong. So this is correct. This one will be here, and this one will be here. Okay, so this is a mistake a lot of people make, and they get a wrong result. So now you can pull within the sex, but I don't want to pull. So let's just execute here. Okay. This is a regression size shape, and this is score. So this score here, you can see how it goes. Okay, this is regression. So let's color data points by sex. You want this color. All right. Oh, let's resize to 8. Okay, so this is it here. So if you go and check your result tab and scroll down, you see that here we already have okay. So this is our central size here. We have total sum of square is equal to 0.27, total predicted, total residual, and predicted is 4.09, and is 0.01, which is significant, 0.012. So this is our central size. Okay, you can see it here, the values here. Okay, that's a regression coefficient. Okay, so this regression analysis. All right, this former one we did before on the Procus and Nova. All right, so this is our central size. You can copy this out into your document and use for an analysis. All right, so we only have one multivariate value. We want one what do you call it, one categorical variable, which is sex. All right, so sometimes we may have more than one, so we have to, that is become multivariate. All right, so this is what is called regression analysis in Morphometrics. Thank you. I will see you in the next section.